How do I navigate the LMS? From the LMS homepage, you have several options available to you. These are your currently available courses. Each of these courses has multiple options depending on whether they are commenced, incomplete, or passed. If you have not yet started a course, you can begin the course by clicking the Open Course button. If you have already commenced a course, you can also select the option to view the course report with all its current details. If you have attempted or passed a course quiz, the current result will be displayed on the course along with your result percentage. If you have completed a course and passed the quiz, the course cannot be reattempted and you have the option to review the course you completed or obtain a certificate for said course. Finally, you have the option to filter these courses by their current status by selecting the buttons above, or refreshing the page to show the up-to-date details for each course. You can navigate to different pages by using the Quick Actions menu or the Profile menu to the top right of the page, or by using the menu to the side of the page. You can also lock this menu in place for ease of access. My Account will take you to an options page for your personal account where you can update your information. My Reports will navigate to an overview of all currently available courses and their details. Buy and Order will navigate you to a page where you can view the steps to open your own manager account if you wish to purchase courses as a manager. As a learner, you do not need to purchase courses. Support will take you to a form to fill out if you have any inquiries or require additional support. Finally, the Logout button will sign you out of your learner account. If at any time you wish to return to your home page, simply select the My Home option in the menu.